Hi everyone, let's start off with safety today. When you're working with electricity, it can be very dangerous. Make sure that your vacuum is unplugged from a power source before you do anything with this box open, please. Alright, today we're going to be replacing an amp overload, and this will be specific to a 1.5 horsepower motor that is on a W151 and an MX301. I'm going to start off by removing my neutral wires and my black wire here. A singular brown wire from the side here. Another brown wire from down the bottom. And your main power coming in. This is your little plastic piece that you're going to be leveraging down, just slightly, don't pry on it, and this thing will just pop right up out of there, lifting from the bottom and move it upwards. Just remove our jumpers here. Put these aside. You're going to need to install these on the new piece. Three screws here. And just slides right out. Grab the new one. Just slides right back in. Tighten back the 3 screws. That's going to hold it in position. Putting our jumpers back in. The smaller jumper is going to go from T1 to T2. The large jumper is going to go from 9.5 to L1. Only tighten 9.5 for now. Excellent. Now we're ready to reinstall back. Just put the top of the box into the rail at an angle and click the bottom in. Secured. All right, now we're going to grab white wire and a white wire, and we're going to install both of these into A1. Give them a little tug, make sure they're installed. Locate your black power wire, and this is going to come up to L1, and it's also going to get followed behind with this jumper that came from 9.5. Alright, now we can grab either one of these brown wires. One of these wires is going to come down here to 9.6, and the other one's going to come up here to number 4. A little tug, make sure they're installed all the way. Now I'm going to locate the power wire from the motor. It's the last black wire, and that's going to come down here to T3. Let's give a little tug, make sure she's in all the way. Now we can go ahead and set your amps. We're going to want to go just above 17 amps here. Just check the amps on this machine. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Remember, this is a hot box. There's hot electrical in here, so be very careful.